Beautiful, isn't it? My name is Pastor Georgespratz, popularly known as Spratz. Yes, I'm going to teach you a very simple solo on 1-4-5 in the key of F. Assuming I have a song 1, 4, 5, 1 in the key of F, that would be F, D flat, C, F. Right? A typical example for a Ghanaian song would be Minyamie Onimbiya Minyamie Onimbiya Minyamie Onimbiya Obeyama Hallelujah. I'll first of all teach you the scale within the C shape of F. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So you should learn the full scale within this shape. So, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. And you can extend it to the B shape of F here. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So you need do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So to create a simple improvisation on this, it is going to be, we're going to start from do, mi, re, fa, mi, sol, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do, mi. You can learn this. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, sol. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, sol, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do, mi. So, minyamie, 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 obeyama, hallelujah. So slowly. Do, re, fa, mi, sol, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, la, fa, re, do, la, li, ti, so, re, fa, mi, re, di, la, di, so, fa, mi, fa, re, do, ti, so, ti, fa, mi, re, do. Yes, this is very good. Let me take it again. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, sol, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, la, fa, re, do, la, li, ti, so, re, fa, mi, re, di, la, di, so, fa, mi, fa, re, do, ti, so, ti, fa, mi, re, do. Beautiful, isn't it? In case you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a pro, Where else would you like to look? Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. I'm Spratz and I'm in town. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, the best opportunity to do it is now. The best opportunity to do it is now. Please subscribe. And in case you have, don't forget to press on the notification bell so the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. Hey, don't forget to describe our page to others. Please like, share, and leave your comments. Okay? See you again and soon. Bye-bye.